How to create Grab account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Grab account. Grab application is a versatile platform that offers a range of services such as ride-hailing services, food delivery, payment solutions, and many more. Here's how you can create an account on Grab. First of all, ensure that you have downloaded the authentic Grab application from Google Play Store or any other app store. Once you have done that, open your Grab application on your mobile device, and in this page here you will need to allow access to your device location. Select while using the application option and tap on turn on in order to turn on your location. Here select your country and a city. After that, allow notifications by tapping on this allow button, and in this page you'll be able to see sign up and login option. Tap on this sign up button at the bottom left. Here choose your Google account. Tap on continue at the bottom, and after that you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to select the country code and enter your mobile number. Tap on this country flag and select your country from the list. Once you have entered the phone number, tap on this next button at the bottom. Now you will receive a verification code on your WhatsApp. If you didn't receive the code, you may also tap on this didn't get a code at the bottom, and then you can receive code in your SMS. Once you get the code, enter it here and then wait for a while. After that, you will see you have successfully created Grab account. So by following these steps, you should be able to create Grab account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.